Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Calvin cycle, an important part of photosynthesis. We'll explain what it is, its main steps, and why it matters in making energy for plants. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to 1. Describe the Calvin cycle, 2. Explain its main stages, and 3. Understand its importance in producing glucose for plants. In photosynthesis, there are two types of reaction, the light-dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction. The Calvin cycle is also called the light-independent reaction of photosynthesis. It happens in the stroma of the chloroplast. This cycle takes a carbon dioxide and converts it into glucose using energy from ATP and NADPH, which are made during the light-dependent reaction. Here is the visual representation of Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle has three main phases: 1. Carbon fixation, 2. Reduction, and 3. Regeneration. In carbon fixation, carbon dioxide combines with a 5-carbon molecule called RUBP. This forms a 6-carbon molecule that immediately splits into two 3-carbon molecules called 3-PGA. This step is helped by the enzyme Rubisco. In the reduction phase, ATP and NADPH change 3-PGA into G3P, a 3-carbon sugar. NADPH gives electron to help reduce the molecules into G3P. Some G3P molecules will later be used to make glucose. During regeneration, some G3P molecules are recycled to remake RUBP. This allows the cycle to continue. Regeneration uses ATP and involves several chemical steps. Overall, it takes 6 turns of the cycle to make one glucose molecule, using 12 ATP and 12 NADPH for reduction and 6 ATP for regeneration. To summarize, the Calvin cycle fixes carbon from carbon dioxide, produces G3P which can form glucose, regenerates RUBP to keep the cycle going, and it's essential for plants to make their own food. The Calvin cycle is a key process in photosynthesis. It turns carbon dioxide into sugar using energy from ATP and NADPH. This sugar gives energy to plants and indirectly to all living things. Thank you for listening.